Welcome to the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on that little bell icon to be notified of the latest and newest videos. So how do YouTubers get paid? They make money by monetizing their videos with ads running through them. The money you earn depends on your CPM. And the CPM stands for cost per thousand. And CPM is the amount an advertiser pays to have his ads served against videos 1,000 times. It is calculated based on how many people watch the video and from where the people are watching the video. Many factors affect CPM, and these include demographics, content, gender, and time of watch. YouTube will also take 45% of your revenue from the advertising. In 2018, advertisers spent an average of $3 per thousand views.
Daily revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. So daily views is currently 200,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber between $3 to $5. So let's just say $4. So daily income is 200,000 multiplied by CPM of 4, which is 0.004, and you get $800. Now monthly income is $800 multiplied by 30, and you get $24,000. Annual revenue, and this is going to be an estimate. So the revenue is $24,000 multiplied by 12, and you get $288,000. Now, of course, with this, YouTube gets a cut of the revenue. YouTube gets 45%, and this channel gets 55%. So you have to do $288,000 multiplied by 0.55, and you get $158,400 per year from YouTube ad revenue alone, which is amazing. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And also let me know of the next YouTuber you want me to do next.